Here we go today. It's about 10 degrees outside, and I got Fujitsu mini split unit here today that is tripped on a 94 code, which is just unit trip, no specifics on it. We'll figure out what's going on. Typically the first thing I do is kill power for a little while, but I want to see if there's any alarm codes in here. And I just had a similar issue in this district, so we'll see. But this district is known for having power issues. So right now I got just the error code blinking. The A through F would be to designate which indoor unit the trip is located at, which we don't have any of that. So it says right here, error LED will blink high speeds. LEDs A through F to monitor light up and display the error location. In case of an overall error, LEDs A to F of monitor do not light it up. So this is just a general unit trip, has nothing to do with any specific unit. So I'm going to clear the power for about 10 minutes, go downstairs and warm up, and then see what happens after that, because I can't really, there's nothing specific about this error. Alright, gonna turn this back on. Let's see what happens after a full 10-minute restart. We got a clear green light in case it does want to start up. Move that. Hear the clicking. It's responding. We'll see what happens with this restart. It's possible that this may need to have some function settings programmed into it. You know, nobody expects it to get down to 10 degrees, but that's very possible. If it's short cycling, maybe it needs to be set for low ambient temperatures. We'll see in a second when this thing turns on. Alright, gonna try to kick on. Got a standing pressure of about 60 psi, which is obviously low, but then again, it's 10 degrees outside, so it's hard to say with standing pressures. We'll see what happens when it tries to kick on. Alright, it's trying to ramp up. Fan's kicking on. Oh, that thing sounds like fucking garbage. Oh, that sounds fucking horrendous. Oh, they might have a bad compressor. That's no bueno. That sounded really, really bad. Oh, that sounded really bad. Alright, so this is the result of the new unit. That compressor was bad. Fujitsu was able to warranty a brand new condenser due to it being less than a year old. So we got it installed nicely, and it's putting out like 100-degree discharge, so this is good. And that is the one we're working on right now. Both compressors died, and this one should be up and running shortly.